Hello, my friends. This is Miss D on Reading to Miss D. Today, Llama Llama, Mess, Mess, Mess. I am going to like reading this book to you. It looks very fun. Have you ever made a mess, mess, mess? I have. And I had to clean it up, but that's okay. Llama Llama, Mess, Mess, Mess. Remember, big book, big pages. Llama Llama in this room. Cars and trucks go honk and zoom, racing under sheets and chairs. Mama Llama calls upstairs. Time to pick up your toys. Time to pick up all your toys. Why is Mama making noise? Mama says it's cleaning day. Llama only wants to play. Mama says to make the bed. Llama Llama shakes his head. We all have a job to do, even little llamas too. What if Mama never cleaned? Imagine that. What would that mean? If Mama didn't dust or mop, she'd toss the rags and off she'd hop. She'd take the clothes all clean to wear and throw them up into the air. Not doing laundry anymore? Just drop the towels upon the floor. She'd pull the sheets right off the beds and wear the blankets on her head. She'd leave the pots and pans and plates and dance around on roller skates. Then zoom into the living room to make a fort with mops and brooms. She'd have herself some crunchy snacks and throw the bags behind her back. Oh. Crumbs and clothes and peanut shells. What's this thing? What's that smell? Look at that counter. It's very dirty. Messy counters, dirty drawers. Where is Mama? Where's the floor? Everything's in disarray. Llama has no place to play. Clutter, chaos, and distress. No more Llama. Mess, mess, mess. Mama Llama's not picking things up. Grown-up llamas clean, that's true, but little ones can pick up too. Llama Llama nods his head. Maybe we should clean instead? Llama Llama picks up blocks, puts them all into his box. Books go back up on the shelf. Llama puts them there himself. Are there things beneath the bed? Check and see, lift up the spread. The bedspread. Do you put things under your bed? Look what Llama Llama's got. Each thing has its special spot. Llama pulls the sheets up tight. Mama tucks the quilt just right. Lots of space to play with Mama. It's all nice and clean now. Guess who's proud of Llama Llama? That would be Mama Llama, wouldn't it? So Llama Llama, mess, mess, mess. Is it important to pick up after yourself? Yes, it is. Is it important to help out at home? Yes, it is. If you pick up after yourself and help out, that makes the job easier for everybody else. I want to thank you for reading Llama Llama, Mess, Mess, Mess with me. And this is by Dewdney. Remember, if you like the book, Subscribe to Read to Me, Miss D, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, readers.